Well, good morning, guys. It's Sunday morning, 10th of April. I was hoping to get over to Kiwi land for Easter, but because the COVID restrictions have been lifted over there, every Kiwi in Australia has gone to New Zealand for Easter, and I just couldn't get tickets. There was no seats available on any, on peasant class, premium economy and business class. No tickets till about 22nd. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to sit out Easter in Melbourne here, and as soon as the contract's finished where I'm working up at the Sunshine Hospital, I'll shoot over, take Ethan over, and we'll go over for a good week. I was hoping to do a South Island trip, but it's not going to happen. So yeah, so I think I've got about 10 days off, 8 or 10 days off over Easter, so we're going to smash this car. Hey, just quickly, one of the things all of that work that I did on the plenum, bloody over a year ago or so, I just realised this morning, I've never actually tested it to see if it's watertight. If I've got a pinhole where I've done a lot of welding done, as you remember, I never actually tested it for like water leaks inside the cab. So I've got some water here. We'll give it a quick test and see if it's all sealed up. All right. Oh, big news too. So it's a De Beers paint, black metallic. It's got a sort of a shotgun grey sort of hue to it. A lot of the blacks have like purpley hues to them, and some of them are really, really nice. But this one's got a sort of a shotgun grey or gunmetal grey type sort of hue to it under certain light. It's quite a nice colour. I went away from I was going to go ruby red, the Mustang colour, but that's a three-step process. You've got to spray a metallic silver on there first, and then the red, and then a tinted clear. Which all of those layers, if you put too much on, it darkens it down, and it'd be a real nightmare to spray. And I'm not that good at spray painter, so I'm going with a standard, metallic. So it's colour and then clear over top, and so I'm going to use this in the short term to paint sort of the scuttle thing, and all of the the bolt on, the little stuff, the valance underneath the front bumper and the rear bumper, and all of that sort of less important stuff, just to sort of see if I like the colour, and then we'll go from there. So that was a good thing. Yeah, so I only bought 1 litre, and I bought some acrylic primer as well. So I'm not sure if AdBlue is toxic or whatnot, but in this container I've flushed it out, but I had AdBlue in it, so we'll see what happens. So yeah, that's running out where it should on that side. That side's the lowest side. We've got a little bit running out this side here, which is the high side. So I've just tilted the car to the left, so that the majority of the water flows along this chamber here out to the side. It's looking pretty dry. Okay, I'll tilt the car to the other side. When you open the door, it puts a little bit of weight. Here we go. That's good. Nothing. Oh, that's excellent. Looks like our water level is getting low, so it's the siphon is actually. Oh, we've still got water flowing in there. You see that? So that's the colour. It's very nice. And so you just check the colour out. It's really nice, eh? I'm going to do the vinyl roof. This is all has changed. I've had the C-pillar chrome mouldings for a while and tossed up whether or not to do a rag top on it. And Ethan's convinced me. It's Ethan, really, it's Ethan that's pushed for this. He wanted a black car, black metallic with black vinyl roof. For some reason he's got it in his head, he won't let it go. And eventually he's going to get this car anyway, so might as well do it the way he wants it. And I'm pretty happy with that. It's a bit of a gangster look. Could have set something like 12 sliders on it or something, and you know, just pretty sedate. You know, lowered twin pipes and no tinted windows or anything. Spewing that I had a louver, you know, the rear window louver. But bloody, I had some heads off an old V8 sitting on a rubbish bin, and the bloody, for somehow, I don't know what happened, but the bloody bin's fallen over or something, and one of the heads fell on the louver and smashed them to a million pieces. So that's a pain. So that was going to look quite good on it. Anyways, I might be able to track one down on eBay or Gumtree or something. Anyway, I'm going to take it for a little drive. We've got something exciting to show you. Road closed. Well, so here we go. This is the home of the ZF Restoration, the future home. The factory I've bought is 240 square meters. It's actually in the section there that says future stages. Stage 1's sold out, and stage 2 is directly behind the established factories already, which are down there. A lot of glare, so they've still got to get planning for it, but they're taking deposits on it. I've put a deposit on it. So it's 240 square meters floor area. It's this type of building here. So you've got a container height roller door, which is 6 meters access, and then you've got another 2 meters for the roof. So I think the roof internal is around about 7.4 meters high, so enough room for a mezzanine floor. So I'm going to put a mezz floor in there, which will increase the square footage, or sorry, the square meterage to around about 380, 390 square meters, and that'll be the home of the restoration. But that is probably 2 years away, you know, it could be a year and a half away. They haven't even started construction on stage 1 yet, so. But very happy. The factory's only come out with a toilet, no office, no aircon, yeah, so you've got to build your own office and set them up how you'd like them. They're quite cheap, they're only 504,000 plus GST. You know, and these established factories, they're all selling for about 600, 650 for about some comparable size. So anyway, yeah, some good news. Right next door to Mitre 10, which is handy, hardware store. Anyway, that's all I wanted to do. The road was closed, so I had to take a detour. Okay, that's it. Probably not going to do a lot of work on the car today. I'll do a bit, but I won't do any filming. I'll start filming at Easter time. You know, at the end of next Friday, Good Friday, is when I'll start into the shed. Ethan's away on cadet business, and I can't go to New Zealand, so 10 days, 8 to 10 days in the shed, can't wait. And I'll get them front guards all sorted out, and take it from there. So front guards, bonnet. And I want to also get those, all of the valance and the scuttle and everything, all bolt-on parts, all in colour, so we can see how it looks. Alright guys, I'm going to leave you to it. Take care, and it was only a quick video, but hope you enjoyed it, and can't wait to see where we get to after Easter. Alright, bye now.